What's up, y'all? We outside. I got another project that I'm about to work on. This is this one's gonna be a little different because I've never done it before. Um, I have to replace my ramp. It's starting to dry rot and it's bouncy. Um, I don't have a background in building anything, so but I've been researching for 2, 3 weeks, 4 weeks every day. Only thing left to do is to do it. Second part. Well, there's gonna be a few phases. So this is the first phase. I'm planning on putting some gravel, nice little border, little edge down to make it look nice. Uh, what else? Gutter system to catch rain into my barrel. I'm planning on moving the barrel and putting it on the other side. I also have another water reservoir that's going on the other side. But like I said, I'm going to make a nice little border around here, put some gravel down here because I have a lot of sitting water. Just want to make it look all nice and neat. In the future, I might take it all the way around. But as of right now, that's what the plan is. Uh, yeah, it's my first time doing this. I've never built a ramp before, never built too much of anything. But you know what? You got to learn. I got tools, I got different things, and I got the know-how in the wheel. So we're going to figure it out. You heard me? But yeah, stay tuned. Let's see how it turns out.
Gotta save that rainwater. Time to remove the old ramp. It was worse than I thought. Time for some measurements. Using the 3, 4, 5 method for the corner. Second guessing myself. I have to remove this top layer of grass.
Alright, so check this out. I've been trying to shovel this. I don't have my mic plugged in right now, but I've been trying to shovel this, and yeah, it's wearing me out. I don't think I got the proper tool to do it, but I do have the proper tool. I was doing some research, was talking to Chat GPT. Chat told me not to till it because of it's gonna make the dirt fluffy. But I tell you what, it's gonna be easier to remove fluffy dirt than it is to keep trying to cut through this grass. Like this side is probably 3 years old. It still has the little mesh in here, and you know what I mean. So yeah, about to get this till out. You heard me, and we'll figure the next problem out from there. Whew. Had to stop and take a break. Holding my microphone in my hand. I ain't gonna do like the rest of them videos do. When they act like they be working all the way through. I don't know. I thought this was gonna be a 1 day project. I ain't even gonna hold you. This might have to be spread out for a few days, you heard me? This ain't cut like that no more. I'm hungry. But I don't want no food because it's hot out here. I don't mind the heat. I'm from the silk, you know what I'm saying? Drop my little phone. I'm about to eat a Snicker. I don't even eat chocolate. People who really know me know I don't really eat chocolate like that. But I'm a little famished, you heard me? All my little granola bars and everything. My grandson been coming by eating them all. So every time he come over, GP, can I have a snack? He ate all my snacks. So now I'm on this chocolate, you heard me? But I'm just telling y'all, I'm second guessing this. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I'm really second guessing this. But I can't quit. I done already told my grandpa. And moved everything. And the biggest reason why I can't quit, well, I ain't no quitter. But we gotta figure it out. You heard me? If I don't figure it out, I'm gonna feel like a failure. So, yeah, I should have started early in the morning. Probably Friday afternoon when I got out of work. Yeah, but when I watched a little YouTube video, I made it seem like it was super easy. You know what I'm saying? It ain't super easy. But, yeah, we're gonna have to figure this out. Oh, I'm gonna have to pay somebody to come finish this or something. Nah, I'm quit thinking like that. I'm gonna go like that. I ain't no money. It's gonna cost me money to do this. Yeah. Alright, y'all. I just had to get that out of my system.
Debate continued.
All right, we at it again this morning, day 2. Gotta get this right. Yeah, so this is a little process, you know what I'm saying? Because right here in the front, down here, has to be 6 inches deep along the front line. And contrary to belief, when you're working, trying to go 6 inches deep, 6 inches is a lot of inches when you're working, you heard me? But anyway, so I just had an idea. Some of this dirt, I got some areas in my yard that can use some better soil. You know what I mean? And this dirt looks pretty decent. Let me show you. This right here is some pretty good soil. It's pretty good soil. So I got some areas in my yard over in this area, even right here, that grass hasn't really been growing that well because it's really hard clay dirt right here. I'm gonna dump it right there, you feel me? Yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
Thank God for a tiller. Trying to level out the soil? This was a mistake. Don't wet the soil. Day number 5. It rained for a month straight after this. Day near 44. Emotional support moment. base gravel has to be compacted. Installing edging. I decided to go with a red brick border. By I mean my wife. I knew this saw would come in handy one day. My first spray. I think it looks okay. At this point, I decided to add the P-rocks.
All right, time to do some filling.
I wasn't prepared for all of the rock to fall through the cracks of the bottom of my truck. Look at that huge pile on the grass. Day the number 54. Finally get to build the ramp.
My nickname too for the goat, these other nickname baby.
Cause you ain't put no time in. 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 You ain't put no time.
I didn't space it properly. There's a gap at the bottom.
You ain't put no time in. Cause you ain't put no time in.
And you say you about whatever. You been hustling for a while, but you still on the same
Here's the
level.
finale.
Early in the mornings, you still glued to your bed.